All right, so here's an energy calculation. This problem wants you to calculate the delta H of the reaction. It gives you the structures because we're giving you also with that the bond energies. And so one of the ways that you can calculate the enthalpy of a reaction is to essentially say, I'm going to take all of the atoms and I'm going to break them up, all of the molecules, and I'm going to break them up into their constituent atoms. And then I'm going to reform them into the molecules that I want as products. So we can say that the delta H of the reaction is the sum of the energies from the bonds that you break minus the sum of the energies from the bonds that you make. So it takes energy to break apart the bonds. You get energy in making them all again. And so the difference between those two is the delta H of the reaction. Okay, and so let's just figure out all the different types of bonds we have. We've got some CH bonds. We've got 6 there. And that's in the chart there, 412 kilojoules per mole. We've got some HCl bonds. They're there, 431. We've got some carbon-carbon single bonds at 348 and one carbon-carbon triple bond at 961 kilojoules per mole. So let's add them all up. Or let's see what we've got on the product side. On the product side, we've got some CH bonds as well. We've also got some CC single bonds, and the new type of bond that we have is the CCl bond at 338. All right, now let's add them all up. So let's take the CH bonds. I had 6 of them over here. Now, all of these energies are going to be in kilojoules per mole. So I'm not going to write that energy value down until the end. So I've got 6 times 412. Then I've got the CC triple bond. That's 1 times 961. I've got CC bonds, and so that's 2 times 348. I'm going to do all those multiplications and add them all together, and I should get 4,991 kilojoules. Okay, on the bonds that I make, I've got some CH bonds as well. I have 8 of them. I also have some CC bonds. I have 3 of them. I've got some new, I don't have any CC triple bonds, but I do have some CC, some carbon chlorine bonds. They're new. And so that's 2 times 338 kilojoules. Now I'm going to add all of those together. I get 5,016 kilojoules. And now let's go ahead and subtract the 2, and you get negative 25 kilojoules. And that's the delta H for the reaction.